cute.
Good afternoon, guys. It is a hot, sunny day. It's in the 90s. So much the turkeys are. Hey, ladies, or ladies and gentlemen. Is it hot out here? Yeah? Is it hot out here? Yeah? I'm sorry. So anyways, I'm out here today and we got to use this vinegar up. So I got to spray some areas where I don't want grass and stuff. So we have industrial vinegar out here. It's 75%. It's for industrial like stuff. Usually you want your vinegar when you're spraying weeds, but to be about 25%. I'm doing about 17%. I'm doing about 25%. I'll show you my vinegar barrel. There you go. This is what my brother-in-law bought to do some work on the property to make way for spraying some areas on the property because I don't want any chemicals on property. So I'm out here with my little sprayer, and then so there's my little sprayer, and I've already done this whole section right here. One of the things, you really want to use a respirator and gloves and all of that good stuff doing this. So the other day, it's been 2 days now, I've sprayed the grass here with vinegar. I'm probably going to go over a couple spots that I may have missed, but you can see clearly that that grass is dying from the vinegar. I'm going to go ahead and give this another spray. I have plenty of vinegar, so that was 25% vinegar. This spot is really dying, really good. So I'm just gonna, it was really thick grass, so I'm gonna give it another spray. This is our driveway that was overtaken by crabgrass, so we want that done and taken care of well, because otherwise it tears up the driveway. Get what kind of gravel this is, but it really binds together, and if we don't get that crabgrass dead, then we'll have problems with it coming apart and not being a nice firm surface to walk on and to park your cars on. So I'm going to go ahead and spray that another time. So, but it works. So that's how the vinegar works. It basically works. Maybe, you know, Roundup would work a little better, but when you're trying to be, I mean, if you look behind me, animals, these are our two turkeys. right up against the driveway because we want them to fertilize the grass behind it. So when you're running a homestead and you have animals running all over the place, you really don't want to be spraying. Like right now, I don't have to be concerned. He just grabbed some grass and put it in his mouth and ate it. Well, there's some vinegar on it, which he's spitting it out because it's got vinegar on it. Yes, I'll feed you in just a second. Okay, so anyways, just thought I'd give you guys an update on the grass. Need to spray it a little more, but this is the results when you spray it. This is a lot of heavy grass. So if you were just spraying small weeds, which it works really good on ragweed, really good, and some of the other areas. So we'll give it another spray today, and then I'll give you another update in another video. But I just wanted to wrap this one up. So thank you for watching, guys. God bless you, and we'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.